Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be cutting the trending 3-in-1 hair bonnet, and I'll be starting by folding the material into 4, just like this, just the way you're seeing it, as if you want to cut a fillet. Okay, you fold it into 4 and you measure 15 inches. You can measure 15, you can measure 16, you can measure 14, whatever inches you want to work with. It depends on your preference. Okay, so I've measured 16 here, working with 16 here. I've measured it, and I will measure it all around this folded material to give me a very big circle that I'll be using for the bonnet. So once I'm done doing that, I will cut it out, and this is it. So I will use that cut out circle, I will use it to cut another different material. I'm joining two different colors here, so I will use that first one to cut out that same shape of that circle to make it 2 different colors. I'll be mixing these 2 different colors for this bonnet. Okay, you can work with whatever color you choose. So once I'm done doing that, I'll head to my machine to sew round this circle. Just sew it round. Yeah, I'm done sewing it round and giving it a good press. After sewing round, I give it a good press and turn it round outside this place. Now let's head to the band that we're using to do the splitting. I've folded this band into 2, just the way you see it, by 13. You can work by 3, sorry. You can work by 3, you can work by whatever measurement, it just depends how wide you want it. Then the length is 19. I'm working with the length 19 because this material I'm using is a stretching material. Then I will go ahead to stitch this edge side to give me a very round and firm circle like this that will do my pleating for the bonnet on. Okay, so I'm done making the stitches and this is the outcome. Now I will head to make my pleatings on this band. This is where I'm going to pleat all this on this small circle band. Okay, just carefully make a pleat, then hold it with your pin or whatever. Just if you are good at it, you can just sew it on it direct without using the pin, but I'm holding this pin for you to see what I'm doing. So this is how I'm going to pleat it on this band, round this band. Okay, I'll pleat it on this. Just see the way I'm placing it. That's how I'm going to sew it. While pleating, sewing, that's how I'm going to fix all this whole circle inside this band. Okay, now this is the final look of what we've done so far. This is the final look. I've done pleating it on the band, and this is the outcome. Okay, you can wear it this way. You can push the band inside and wear it. You can also bring the band out, wear it. Then you can also turn it to the other side and also wear it. Okay, so this side you can just make a weaving to cover the stitches. Just make a smooth weaving to cover those stitches. That's just it. You can wear it this way, or you turn it to the other color and wear it. That is why it is called 3-in-1 bonnet. Okay, that's just it, my beautiful people. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to this channel and share this video, and also turn your notification bell in case we upload any new video, you will get notified ASAP. Okay, to my new subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.